Happy Thursday. One more day before the weekend. Not that I have a breaker anyway, but I have a package here. I'm so excited to open it. What is that? Workout was, I'm doing Mr. and Mrs. Muscle's 30-day challenge for the ladies, and today's workout we had to do the confirmation was strong. I only did one round. My body was still whooped from this one right here. So basically what I did was I did one round of all of these. And then I didn't do 10 by 10. I did actually 5 by 10 by 5. So I did 10 reps, 5 rounds. So that was 50 dumbbell curls, 50 hammer curls. Then Saturday, Sunday, I'm gonna just chill. And then Monday, I'm supposed to be adding Sunday to Monday. So again, that was all. It sound good in writing until you get ready to do it. So I might just be doing Monday through Friday and skip the Saturday and Sunday. That'll work for me, and just substitute it with another workout. But that's about it. So everybody be safe. We'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Please give me a thumbs up when you come in. And just join us. You know, we're trying to get it together. I'm here to motivate you. With you guys, fasting playlists for everything that I use, recipes, food. So Saturday and Sundays is my day off for my body to recuperate and recover, because I don't think I could do another exercise. So Monday is another day. So y'all give me a thumbs up on this. When y'all come in, it's free. And chit chat with me. Let me know what y'all doing to, get your body right and heal from the inside out.